Okay.
All right,
So anyway, so these are two different sized brains, obviously, but also this one's missing a cerebellum. But I'm just going to show you the outer structures first. So this is kind of what I was talking about before with the optic chiasm. So you can see right here, these are the optic nerves. This is the optic chiasm. So normally if I labeled this, I would put them together. I usually kind of just stab a pin in the middle and just to hold them together. And then I would put this here, and then I say, name the structure. And what would that be?
Optic chiasm.
Good, optic chiasm. If you take a look right here, this is the olfactory bulbs right here. You see that? So olfactory bulb. So if I said name the structure, it would be bulb. Good. And if you peel back this a little bit more, you can see the rest of the olfactory tract. Okay, so this whole thing right here is the olfactory nerve. Okay, optic nerve, olfactory nerve, optic chiasm. Okay, these two little bumps right here, it's actually one giant bump when you put them together, and that is your pituitary gland. Okay, so it looks like a lot of the dura maters are still attached. So this right here would be your pituitary gland. Got it? Okay. All right. So let's go over the layers. Okay. So this outer layer right here is called what? Dura mater. Okay. This inner layer right here, a lot of it is already attached to the top of the cerebrum. But what is this right here? Pia mater. And you see this little dark brown in between the sulcuses, or sulci, I guess. Sulci. That is the pia mater. Okay. Right there. Yeah, the little brown. The little kind of like whitish part is the dura mater. Like not white, but clear. Okay, and then this hard part is the dura mater. Okay, everyone got that? All right, so now I'm going to choose one that has kind of good like other structures. Let's do this one. Okay, so this one right here, so you can see this top part. What is this part of the brain called? The top part of the brain. Cerebrum. Gosh, peoples, gosh. What about this one?
Cerebellum.
Cerebellum, good. Okay, so if I put like a thing right here, then what would it be? Arbor vitae. You see how it's like on a branch of the arbor vitae? It looks kind of like a tree, right? Okay, so arbor vitae. This one, someone like chopped it kind of weird, but anyways, this circular part right here, what is that?
Thalamus?
The thalamus, good, thalamus. And at the very end right here, what is this?
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus. And if you kind of take a look over here, and we'll put it back together with this at the end right there, optic chiasm. Okay, so you see how that kind of comes together? Okay, so anyway, let's go through some more. This top one right here is called what?
Corpus callosum.
Good, so I usually just like kind of put it right here and say name the structure and corpus callosum, okay? And then this right here, you see this like a flap? Not really the fornix yet.
Oh, the
Septum pellucidum, okay? So it's like a thin, it's like a thin flap, okay? And behind it is the lateral ventricles, okay? This right here would be the fornix. Okay? Fornix. Got it? All right, so let's go through some other stuff. Okay, that's good. So what about here if I label it like right here? The pons, okay, so this is the pons, and if you look at it from this side, it's this first big bump. And you see how you have the second bump right here? That's the medulla oblongata, okay? So if we put it together, so first bump, second bump, okay? So this one right here, medulla oblongata. Got it?
Yes.
And then this one is the spinal cord, okay? All right, let's see what else. So right here, this is where like the third ventricle lies, okay? You see how it's like a little hole right there? You see this little stuff that's like part of the choroid plexus. Okay, so lateral ventricles, third ventricle, drain into right here, which is the what?
Aqueduct.
Cerebral aqueduct. You see where that little V flap that I told you guys about right here? That is the fourth ventricle.
Oh.
Got it? Let me see what else you can see. Right here, what is this called? This one right here is called the, no?
Can't see.
Oh, right here? Starts with an M. Good, mammillary body, okay? The corporal quadrigemina, I'd have to take this off, but it's behind here. It's like over here. I wouldn't label it on the sheet though, okay? It'd be back here, like these bumps right here, these two things right here. That's a superior colliculi, inferior colliculi, but if you peel this back, you'll be able to see them a little bit better, okay? But I usually don't label them on here. And then this bulk right here is the cerebral peduncle right here. Like if you lifted this up, like you see how this is the pons, so right above the pons right here is the cerebral peduncle. Okay? All right, I think that's pretty much it.
Okay.
All right.